5 morning mistakes you're making, and how to fix them. Today we're going to talk about an important aspect of your daily life, your morning routine. How do you start your day? Do you have a morning routine that helps you get ready for the day ahead? Or do you just roll out of bed and rush through your morning without any plan or purpose? Well, your morning routine matters. It sets the tone for your entire day, affecting your mood, energy, focus, and productivity. It can either make you feel confident, motivated, and happy, or it can make you feel stressed, overwhelmed, and unhappy. And the truth is that some common mistakes in the morning can negatively impact your day. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 morning mistakes people make and provide you with practical tips on how to improve them. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1. Hitting the snooze button. You might be tempted to hit the snooze button for a few extra minutes of sleep, but it can actually disrupt your natural sleep cycle. By avoiding the snooze button, you can wake up feeling more refreshed and focused. Here are some tips to help with this. 1. Put your alarm clock or phone out of reach from your bed, so you have to get up to turn it off. 2. Set a motivational or upbeat song as your alarm tone, something that makes you happy and energized. Mistake number 2. Not preparing the night before. Planning ahead can make your morning more productive and stress-free. Consider these tips. Choose your outfit for the next day and lay it out neatly. This will save you time and hassle in the morning and help you dress for success. Plan your meals for the next day. This will save you time and money, and ensure that you have healthy and delicious food to fuel your day. Make a list of your top 3 priorities for the next day, and identify the most important one. This will help you focus on what matters most and avoid getting distracted by less important things. You can also review your calendar and set reminders for any appointments or deadlines. Mistake number 3. Not doing your most important task first thing in the morning. Completing your most important task early can boost your productivity and motivation for the rest of the day. Here's how you can make it happen. 1. Remind yourself of your most important task for the day, which you identified the night before. Make it clear, specific, and aligned with your goals. Break it down into smaller steps if it's too big or complex. 2. Set a deadline for your most important task and commit to it. Share your goal with someone else or use an accountability app or partner to stay on track. 3. Reward yourself for completing your most important task. Give yourself a treat, a break, or a compliment. Celebrate your achievement and enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. If you find it hard to start with the most important task, warm up with some smaller and easier tasks first, but don't let them distract you from your main goal. Mistake number 4. Not moving around and staying hydrated. Physical activity and hydration can boost your energy and mood in the morning. Consider these tips. 1. Choose a form of exercise that you enjoy and can stick to. It can be running, cycling, walking, or any other activity that gets your heart rate up. Aim for at least 20 minutes of moderate to vigorous intensity. If you don't have access to a gym or equipment, you can do simple exercises at home or in your office, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, or planks. Drink a large glass of water as soon as you wake up before having coffee or tea. This rehydrates your body after a night of sleep and flushes out toxins. Adding lemon juice or apple cider vinegar can provide additional benefits. Mistake number 5. Not getting enough sunlight. Exposure to natural light in the morning can improve your mood, sleep quality, and overall health. Try these tips. 1. If possible, spend at least 15 minutes outside, enjoying fresh air and sunlight. You can exercise, walk your dog, or have your breakfast outdoors. Avoid wearing sunglasses or sunscreen during this time to maximize the benefits of sunlight. 2. If going outside isn't an option, you can get some artificial light that mimics the sun. Use a light therapy device, a bright lamp, or sit near a window that faces east. Make sure the light is bright enough and close enough to your eyes. 3. Minimize your use of electronic devices like phones, computers, or TVs in the morning. They can easily derail your priorities. In conclusion, Your morning routine significantly impacts your mood, energy, focus, and productivity throughout the day. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing these practical tips, you can start your day with purpose and focus, setting yourself up for success. Do you have any other tips or tricks for a successful morning routine? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications for more videos like this.